Welcome back to our art series for engineering and science. Today we will connect probability to R by working with discrete and continuous random variables, focusing on the binomial and Poisson distributions. Then we will do a practical demo loading a data file called quiz2.csv. The first, I will show you how to calculate the probabilities for binomial distribution in R. Here is the R code we will use. I have already provided this code in your quiz 2 materials. You just need to copy and paste the codes into your R console. So you will see here we have three functions I instance have introduced to you. So D binomial give extract probabilities, densities, and P binomial gives cumulative probabilities, and R binomial generate random values. Let's copy and paste the code into the R console. So in there you can run each line one by one using Control plus Enter or run them as a block. In order to do that, I will open RStudio. You will see that it's pop-ups my previous program, so you can cut here and save and clear this environment. Then you can start a new R script. So then I will go to my R coding. So copy, and paste here. Think I didn't copy properly the all R codes. Copy, paste. Then you can run one by one. In order to do that, you have to use the Control plus Enter. So let's go to the first line. Control Enter. Control Enter. You will see that all the calculated probability pop up on this console, and also histogram. Once you run all the commands, you will see probabilities calculated and also histogram showing the binomial distribution. Now we completed question 1. In the same way, you can run the code for the question number 2. I especially want to focus on question number 5. Because it's require loading a data set, quiz 2 data. So I have provided this. You have to download to your computer in order to run these codes. So when you run the code, you must specify the correct path to the file, this file. So otherwise you will see an error like cannot open the connections. The error means that R cannot find your quiz 2 CSV file. Let's see this one. First I will copy and go to the here, R console. I will run one by one, Control Enter. So you will see that no such a file or directory. To fix this, you need to place your data inside the correct working directory and tell R where to look. The best way to manage this is to create new RStudio project. To create folder for your projects, for example, you can create the project folder quiz 2. First I will show you where I download my quiz 2 data here. So if I want to make the especially it's showing to the R, it's this one is the place where it is already. So I like to make the directory on the R. So in order to do, first go to where you want to specify this data set to R. So this is usually I copy my file. So let's assume this is on this folder. You have to specify your data set. So I will create the new folder as a quiz or working directory. So then inside here, I want to make my working directory. So let's copy first your path. You can copy address and then go to the R. So then in file, new projects, and give the directory name quiz 2. So then here you can browse where you want to make this is the test directory. Then browse this one. This file does not exist. Then I will go to where I made my working directory. This is the inside I want to make the directory. So then when you open, then you will see that test directory is making inside the working directory. So that I will create it. Then your project environment, it will show here. So if you want, you can test in here. This is I made the working directory, test directory. So I made. So this is your working environment, project environment. You have to save your file on there. So I will cut and in here, and we make here. So in here, inside, I have to save this one. Then if you want to see that is correctly connect to the R, you will see here, it's on your working directory, the quiz 2 pop up here as a file. So then you can cut and paste directly the code which I have given to you. So then let's see it's work now. First one, it's reading the data file. First all the code I will cut and paste, copy, and here new file, R script. You will see that ran without any error. That's mean now you can do all the codings. It's running using the control enter. So enter histogram also line. So you will see that histogram here and also the density plot. It's smooth density plot. This is the way how we can run question 5 specifically, because we use the quiz 2 data set in order to calculate the probabilities and to draw the histogram. Thank you.